Every once in a while, a company will do something so dumb, so stupid, so incomprehensibly retarded that it defies logic itself. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves for the dumbest move in the finance world. M1 Finance, the innovative investment platform known for its user-friendly interface and cutting-edge features, has announced the discontinuation of its much-debated M1 Plus membership program and the introduction of a monthly $3 fee for accounts under $10,000. This bold move comes amidst a flurry of speculation and anticipation, with users and industry analysts alike eager to uncover the motivations behind this decision and its potential ramifications. As M1 Finance charts its course into uncharted waters, is this move genius or just plain stupid? I'd wager on just plain stupid. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the intricacies of this pivotal moment in the evolution of online investing. In a bold move sure to turn heads, the platform has unveiled its latest initiative: a 3-monthly platform fee for clients with less than $10,000 in M1 assets, or without an active personal loan. This decision, while undoubtedly contentious, promises to usher in a new era of financial transparency and sustainability. As users grapple with the implications of this fee structure, questions abound regarding its impact on accessibility and affordability. M1 has always been the go-to recommendation for introducing friends to the world of investing. With its user-friendly interface and unique auto-investing features, it was the perfect platform for newcomers to dip their toes into the market, even if they could only spare $100 a month. However, the recent introduction of a 3-monthly platform fee has thrown their reputation into the trash. As a firm believer in minimizing fees as a key rule of investing, how can anyone in good conscience steer beginners towards M1? The platform's appeal has always been its accessibility for those with limited funds, but this new fee structure undermines that principle. It's a disappointing pivot away from M1's original mission of making investing more accessible. Now, new investors will find themselves searching for alternative brokers that prioritize helping people kickstart their investing journey without siphoning off their hard-earned dollars. After all, how can beginners be expected to reach that $10,000 milestone if they aren't given the chance to start small? As the dust settles on M1 Finance's latest changes, investors are left grappling with the implications of a shifting landscape. With the discontinuation of the M1 Plus membership program, the implementation of a 3-monthly platform fee, and the upgrade to features for existing members, the platform's evolution raises questions about its commitment to accessibility and user centricity. For many, M1 Finance was more than just a brokerage. It was a gateway to financial empowerment. Now, as users weigh their options and contemplate the future of their investment journey, the broader implications for M1 Finance's business model loom large. Will these changes mark a turning point in the platform's trajectory, or will they alienate the very users it once sought to empower? Only time will tell as investors navigate this new chapter in the world of online investing. We believe that the $3 monthly fee will likely deter new investors. You have to acknowledge that it takes time for individuals contributing a few $100s weekly to reach the $10,000 threshold. Reflecting on my own experience when I was first delving into investing, I recall only being able to invest around $100 per week. In my opinion, offering a 1-year trial to brand new accounts would have been a more beneficial solution to address this than charging a $3 a month fee. Let me know in the comments section what you think. As always, thanks for watching, and let those juicy dividends rain down upon your account.